Hello kids, how are you? I hope all of you are doing very well at home and doing your work properly. I am also getting work from all of you and it's very good. Okay, well done all of you. Okay, today in your computer class, we will start a new chapter, that is parts of computer. Okay, and what are the parts of computer? Like a human body, we have many parts, same as computer systems have many parts. And okay, today we will do how many parts of computer system have one by one. Okay, let's start. Second chapter, that is part of computer. Like a human body मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पार्ट, मतलब हमारी जो बॉडी है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पार्ट से मिलकर बनी हुई है. लाइक जैसे हेड, आईज, नोज, हैंड, लेग्स, दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी. और ईच पार्ट हैज स्पेशल वर्क. हर पार्ट का अपना एक काम है. इन द सेम वे कंप्यूटर इज मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पार्ट. ओके, and a computer is a machine that has four main parts, that is monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. Okay, these are the four main parts. Okay, now we will do the monitor. This is a monitor. You know this thing, you have seen in your lab. Okay, how it look like? It look like a TV. Yes, and it shows the text typed on it. है. इट आल्सो यूज टू डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट, यानी जो भी रिजल्ट होता है, जो हम काम करते हैं, वो सब डिस्प्ले हो जाता है मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन पे. ओके, कीबोर्ड. and all of you know about the keyboard. You have seen in your computer labs. There are so many keys on the keyboard. These are the button and these buttons are called keys. And the basic standard keyboard has 104 keys. Okay, and we can type numbers 0 to 9. We can type letters A to Z, small a to Z, and there are some special keys, plus, minus, @ these are the special symbols. Okay, this is the format of keyboard. CPU. Everyone has seen CPU in lab. The full form of the CPU is Central Processing Unit. This box is called CPU and it is the brain of the computer. Means everything is controlled by the CPU. Like in our human body, everything is controlled by our mind. Same as in computer, everything is controlled by the CPU. Okay, it's control all the working of computer. It helps to computer to think and remember things. मतलब जो याद करना है, जो अपने अंदर रखनी है, that is done by the CPU. Okay, next part is, here is the computer system you have seen in lab: monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Okay, mouse. Everyone has seen the mouse in lab. Okay, it is used to point something on the screen. It is used to move some items. It is used to select any item on a computer. Okay, the mouse is also used for drawing in paint. You can make painting with help of mouse. And mouse has two buttons, left button and right. There are two types of mouse: 2-button mouse and scroller mouse. Okay, scroller mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle of the left and right button, and you have used this mouse in lab. We can move page up and down by moving the scroll wheel. मतलब जब हम scroll wheel पे क्लिक को व्हील को जब मूव करते हैं तो हमारा पेज ऊपर या नीचे होता है, अप और. Types of scroll mouse. Scroll mouse have two types. One is ball mouse. It has a ball under this mouse. This ball helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. Second is optical mouse. Instead of using ball, it uses light for the movement of the mouse pointers. Okay, nowadays we are using optical mouse. We have done four main part of the computer, that is monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. More part of the computers are like printers. These are the other computer parts: microphone, speaker, headphone, CD, hard disk and pen drive. These are the other various parts of computer. First one is printer. These are the printers. Okay, printer, it is used to print text or picture on a page. Printer give us a hard copy of the output, and we can print in black and white as well as color. There are various printers here, dot matrix, laser printer, line printers, okay, and the printed copy of the paper is called hard copy. The fastest printer is laser printer. Its quality is good than other printers. Okay. Microphone. This is a microphone and it is used to record voice and different sounds in a computer. अगर आप कंप्यूटर में अपनी कोई वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करना चाहते हो या डिफरेंट साउंड्स रिकॉर्ड करना चाहते हो, देन यू हैव टू यूज़ microphone and we attach this microphone with CPU. Okay. Speaker. Everyone know about the speaker. It allows us to listen music. Okay. We can hear various sound effects that stored in computers. Okay. We can listen music with the help of speaker. These are headphones. Headphone. All of you are known about the headphone. This is used to listen the music as well as recorded sound without disturbing others. Same as speaker, but the difference is that headphone are used without disturbing others. Okay. Next, CD. CD means compact disc. It is round in shape, thin, okay, and it is used to store lot of information. Okay, and it run on CD drive that is fixed in CPU. Okay, and it is basically used for storage. Next, hard disk. It is hard disk and it is used to store large amount of data. Okay, and hard disk is like a box that fixed inside the CPU. This is pen drive. And everyone you know that what is pen drive. We are using pen drive. This pen drive is used to transfer data from one system to another system. It is a small box, rectangular device that is used for transferring data from one system to another. It is also known as flash drive, thumb drive and jump drive. These are the various parts of computers. Okay kids, now I hope you understand all the parts of computers, how they used. Okay, and in next video I will send the bookwork of this chapter. Okay, till then take care, bye bye.